Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. The short heat wave is over for a few days. It hit 101 here on Saturday, and it was in the 90. It was in the kind of the mid 90s yesterday. It's supposed to be upper 80s, low 90s. I know, weather report. I'm sorry. Last night, I took it really easy, and I did French onion beef sloppy joes. I added a few things, but it's okay, because that was a recipe I could mess with. It's good. It called for shredded Swiss cheese, and I just used slices. And then I got my good old handy-dandy blowtorch out and melted the cheese. Gotta have a kitchen torch. Got to. They're fun. But it's good. And I had fries with that. And I'll get that posted up. All right, tonight, the culinary expedition continues. Italy tonight. I found this recipe. I found it intriguing. It's not something you see every day on an Italian restaurant's menu. I'm doing a lentil bolognese. Because it's a bolognese, that's why I wanted to do it on a Sunday, because that's a very typical Italian Sunday dinner, a bolognese. But this is a lentil bolognese. And this, from my reading, this recipe was kind of handed down, from one nonna to another nonna. I think I'm getting it right, nonna. So let's get to it. Lots of hardware today. I'm trying to do this recipe by the letter of the recipe. Lots of hardware. One's for pasta, one's for lentils, one's for the bolognese itself. One is the brazier is actually how to put the pasta and the bolognese together. Yeah. All right. Got some red lentils. It's about a half cup. I'll be sucking those a little bit later. And let's just do the veggies first. I'll dice up half this red onion, dice up a carrot, dice up this celery stalk. There's some tomato paste. There's walnuts. These are crushed walnuts. There's basil, but it's being used as a garnish, not in the bolognese. Some oil. The recipe calls for sea salt. It specifically calls for sea salt. So like I said, I'm trying to follow it to the letter. Black pepper. This is where I'm changing just a tad. I'm using a tomato sauce instead of a strained tomato. There's a little bit of veggie stock in this, just in case it thickens up too much, because it is a long simmer. Like a typical bolognese, it's a long simmer. Some red wine. This is where it gets kind of interesting. Sage, rosemary, which is typical. Bay leaf, which is typical. But what's missing? Another one. And I'll be using linguine. You know me and linguine. I love it. So here's all the goodies for tonight's lentil bolognese. I hope you had a good weekend. I had an okay weekend. I had a very busy Saturday. And yesterday I had a very busy morning. As I was explaining to Robin last night. I had this changeover. It was just like all the changeovers stacked up on the one day, which means me putting files away and, moving stuff around the computer, blah, 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 blah. It's just, yeah. There's a lot behind the scenes that you folks don't see that goes on in my office. It's not just about cooking. All right. So on this Monday, have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.